Hey y'all, put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today. Okay, here we have a 100% cotton garment that has been washed and then soaked in a soda ash water solution 20 minutes or more and spun out in a wash machine until damp. I have an idea. Just follow with me. Tiny, tiny, tiny crinkle. Not my standard scrunch up. Let's do a tiny, purposeful, tiny crinkle. So I'm going to crinkle from the middle out. Okay, I'm happy with that. Tiny little crinkle. Okay, let's head to the dye table. Okay, here's my idea, okay? It's real hard to keep this from not folding up on itself. And I got big blobs here that I didn't compress in there that maybe I could. But what if I make a design on a crinkle? What if I make a spiral on a crinkle with a bunch of colors? What would happen? What do you think would happen? Let's find out, shall we? Come in closer. So I'm gonna do this liquid. I'm gonna do this probably gonna do this on one side as well. It's a thin little shirt. So I'm gonna make a spiral with lemon yellow, and I'm gonna make a spiral. I don't know. I probably honestly should have smaller bottles, but I don't. We're going in. We're going in. And I'm just gonna let it run out like that and make a spiral. Okay, if this turns out really cool that way, I'll remember. Remember how I did it. Ooh. Here is some tangerine, and I'm going to go from the inside. Yeah, so from the inside and around. See how I'm just creating this spiral like that. And then oh, definitely some dragon fruit. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with some dragon fruit. Just trying to follow that spiral. I think I went on the outside of that. And then let's go in with some raspberry. Okay, and then let's see, I'm gonna start my raspberry down here and go around on the outside. Put a little bit more raspberry, and I kind of want to put some black in there. So what if, oh, let's put black on the other side. Yes, we're gonna put black on the other side so it can eke through here. Yeah, okay. Yes. Yes, please and thank you. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, just like that. I have no idea what this is going to be. But I don't know. I'm going to turn it back over so the black doesn't. Okay. Oh, I hope this is really cool. Because I can see something in my mind and I don't know what it is yet. I have to look at it for a minute. Because that sure did. This combination came out pretty. Okay, okay. We just tried something new off the cuff. You ready? Okay. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. So, how many of you out there, when I was like, hey, let's try something. Let's put a design on a crinkle as opposed to splotches on a crinkle and see what happens. How many people was like, Tish, I've already done that. I didn't hear you. Because I didn't know what the outcome would be. In my mind, I was thinking like, once I pulled it apart, maybe an essence of that, whatever design I basically, you know, applied with my dyes, maybe an essence of that design would be like in there, but like distorted, right? Because then you would uncrinkle it and pull it apart, and it would just be like a distortion of it, right? It didn't happen. It didn't happen, but what did happen was some amazing colors. Look. What color? We did raspberry. Huh. So in my mind, I was hoping it was going to be like this little kind of funny spiral going around. Like some weird abstract spiral. It didn't happen. I got this awesome modeled, you know, view of color. Oh, look. Because I was a little worried the black was going to take over the yellow. It didn't. The yellow is there. Come here. I'll show you. Okay, look. The raspberry broke out. See where it broke out into that light blue? And the black didn't overtake that negative space. I love that. And then down here, because we had put so much black in, I was really expecting this black to kind of feather out and overtake that yellow, and it didn't. It didn't. It said, we're good boundaries. Fences make good neighbors. Okay? That's what it said right there. And then just the tangerine popped. Like everything just popped. So pretty. I love this. I am not mad about any of this right here. Let's look at the back. Oh my God. You see? Are these colors like bam, like gorgeous? Can I just look at it for a minute? There's a little dog right here, like poking his head out. I like looking for shapes. I really didn't know what to expect, to be honest. And I am, look, and I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'll do it again, and again, and again, and again. I like that technique, actually, for putting color down on a shirt, as opposed to just doing like blotches with liquid for crinkles. I like this technique even better. It disperses the color differently. So I learned something. We learned something today. Look what we did. I'm on the jackpot with these color choices too. Knocked up. Hey, sometimes I can do that. And you should too. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. I love a happy accident. I love when I'm pleasantly surprised. It feels good. And remember, talking about feeling good, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. And I'll talk to you soon.